Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing the TRC rear diffuser. It's going to be a super quick one, and I'm sorry about the rain noise in the background. I can't stop rain. So anyway, super quick unboxing. We'll get that out of the way. I'm going to do this in my kitchen due to the fact of how big it obviously is. So supplied with some nuts and bolts and lots of washers. I think you basically, because there's two rivets, you have to go through, put a load of washers in and then kind of bolt it at the bottom, so it kind of gives it that kind of spacer. But we'll slowly crack inside. Now the install video for this, it may be a little bit of time before it actually goes onto my car. The reason for that, I've got some problems with my car, I think. So we're going to see how that goes before I kind of install anything else on my car. At the minute I'm a bit demoralised, but hopefully looking at this pretty sight in here will be, you know, worthwhile and kind of get me back in the mood for it all. Oh, she looks good. She looks really good. Oh, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. Have a look at that. Does that not look awesome? I actually really like that. So I was looking at another company's rear diffuser, but the fact that you need to kind of bond the diffuser on and stuff, I'm not about that. I like parts to actually fit rather than me having to heat them up and make them fit, or stick them onto my car with something that's going to ruin the paint. So this is the perfect thing for me. But no, this looks wicked. So it's arrived in perfect condition. As you can see, it looks awesome. I'm surprised it looks this wicked in person. I'm really happy with it actually. I'm really happy. So that is the TRC rear diffuser unboxed. This will be going on my car shortly, but like I said, need to make sure that my my car is running correctly in the first place before I kind of start messing around with it a bit more. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.